Question is Thomas Cup is related to which games? Answer is badminton. Question is which team had won the first ICC Cricket World Cup in 1975? Answer is West Indies. Question is who causes the hydrophobia? Answer is virus. Question is which British Indian is the new head of the British Broadcasting Corporation? Answer is Sameer Shah. Question is Vajra Prahar News 2023 is a joint exercise between which countries? Answer is India and USA. Question is exercise cyclone recently in the news is conducted between which two countries? Answer is India and Egypt. Question is who invented the mariner's compass? Answer is Marco Polo. Question is how many laws are there in all cricket? Answer is 42 laws. Question is which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer is Mount Everest, Nepal. Question is which is the biggest island in the world? Answer is Greenland. Question is which is the national animal of India? Answer tiger. Question is what is the highest point in India? Answer is Junga. Question is which is called the city of golden temple? Answer is Amritsar. Question is which is the largest river in the world? Answer is River Nile. Question is which country is called the land of midnight sun? Answer is Norway. Question is which has the largest parliament in the world? Answer is China. Question is which and where is the largest zoo in the world? Answer is Kruger National Park, South Africa. Question is what is the name of the biggest flower? Answer is Rafflesia. Question is who presides over the sitting of Rajya Sabha? Answer Vice President. Question who was the first women Prime Minister of India? Answer Indira Gandhi. Question who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Answer Sushita Kripalani. Question which is the largest state in India? Answer Rajasthan is the largest state. Question which is the smallest state in India? Answer Goa is the smallest state in India. Question who said that Earth revolves around the sun? Answer Copernicus. Question who started the Al Hilal newspaper in 1912? Answer Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Question who started the Qutb Minar in India? Qutb Minar in India. Answer Qutbuddin Aibak. Question who was built Taj Mahal which is in India? Answer Shah Jahan. Question is which country have three famous names? Answer India, Bharat, Hindustan. Question is Azharuddin, the famous character, belongs to which country? Answer is he belongs to an India. Question is, who was the first president of India? Answer, Rajendra Prasad. Question is, who was the George Washington? A famous person. Answer, President of United States of America. Question, who was known as the Indian Napoleon? Answer, Samudra Gupta. Question, who was the father of Lord Ram? Answer, King Dasaratha. Question, which was the first female ruler of India? Answer, Razia Sultan. Question, who was the first Home Minister of India? Answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question, who is the largest milk producer in the world? Answer is India. Question is, who was the actor who played Gandhiji in the film Gandhi? Answer, Ben Kingsley. Question is, who was the first Indian citizen to get Nobel Prize? Answer, Ravindranath Tagore, 1913. Question, who was the first Indian to climb Mount Everest? Answer, Bachendri Pal. Question, who was the first Indian to go in space? Answer, Air Force pilot Rakesh Sharma. Question is, famous cricketer Sachin Tendulkar belongs to which country? Answer, he belongs to India. Question, which country has the largest democracy in the world? Answer, India. Question, who was the first man to set foot on the moon? Answer, Neil Armstrong. Question, who was the first Muslim invader to attack India? Answer, Muhammad bin Qasim, 1712 AD. Question, who was the first woman governor of India? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. Question, who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Answer, A.O. Hume. Question, who wrote the national song of India? Answer, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question, who wrote the famous book Republic? Answer, Plato wrote it. Question, who was the 45th President of United States of America? Answer, Donald J. Trump. Question, who was the second Prime Minister of India? Answer, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question, who was the first Governor General of India? Answer, William Bentinck. Question, which was the first female ruler of India? Answer, Razia Sultan. Question, who was the first Army Chief of Indian Army? Answer, General K. M. Cariappa. Question, who was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament? Answer, Dadabhai Naoroji. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to watch more informative videos like this.